Have you ever stopped to think about the air your truck's engine breathes? Just like us, engines need clean air to function efficiently. But what happens when the air cleaner your truck's first line of defense is neglected? In this video, we'll explore the consequences of overlooking this critical maintenance task and how to avoid costly mistakes. This is the current state of a truck's air cleaner, completely clogged with dust and debris. When drivers neglect regular inspection, dirt builds up, restricting airflow to the engine. This can lead to a host of problems: reduced engine efficiency, higher fuel consumption, and even permanent damage to internal components. Trucks often operate in challenging environments, whether it's dusty construction sites, rural roads, or industrial zones. These conditions make the air cleaner even more susceptible to rapid clogging. But here's the issue. Many drivers skip routine checks, assuming the air cleaner will hold up. Let's talk about the impact. A clogged air cleaner means the engine has to work harder to draw in air. This affects combustion efficiency, leading to lower power output. Over time, this strain can damage vital engine components, such as the pistons and cylinder walls. And here's the kicker: ignoring this simple maintenance task could lead to expensive repairs. So why are air cleaner checks often overlooked? It could be a lack of awareness, busy schedules, or simply forgetting. But as a driver, it's your responsibility to ensure the truck is in peak condition. After all, preventive maintenance not only saves money, but also extends the lifespan of your vehicle. Now, let's talk solutions. Regular inspections are key. Depending on your truck's workload and environment, you should check the air cleaner every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers or more frequently in dusty conditions. And when it's time to clean or replace the air cleaner, follow the manufacturer's guidelines carefully. Here are some quick tips. 1. Always keep a spare air cleaner in your truck. 2. Use compressed air to clean out dust, but avoid blowing air from the inside out, as this can damage the filter. 3. Replace the air cleaner immediately if it shows signs of excessive wear or damage. A small investment in time and effort can prevent major engine issues down the road. Maintaining a clean air cleaner not only ensures your truck performs at its best, but also reduces your environmental impact by lowering fuel consumption and emissions. A win-win for you and the planet. Don't let a neglected air cleaner compromise your truck's performance. Take a moment to inspect it today and make regular checks a habit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical truck maintenance tips.